2017 Jaguar F-Pace Long-Term Update 3, Coconut Juice Eco Mode. Right around the time this happened, at about the 5,000-mile mark on the odometer, I started to explore the other side of the F-Pace's performance toggle switch. Not the checkered flag, speedster setting, but Eco Mode, which is one tap of the right arrow key away from normal mode, just before the snow driving mode. As with Eco Modes of other brands, Jaguar system alters transmission shift points and accelerator pedal response with an eye toward lower fuel consumption and tailpipe emissions. Elements of the climate control system, such as seat heaters and an optional heated windshield, are also restricted to conserve energy. To those who love spirited driving, Eco Mode usually means a neutered, no fun experience. I am happy to report that, relative to other systems I've tested, our F-Pace's green driving experience is not a total killjoy. In fact, whatever performance reduction measures Jaguar engineers deployed are not immediately noticeable. Yes, the car feels a touch slower, but it's hard to determine where in the cascade of inputs and responses the slowdown occurs. Is it in the gas pedal's initial sensitivity? Maybe. Or is there a quickening of upshifts through the 8-speed transmission? Perhaps. There are no obvious performance gaps or dead spots, so it's hard to confirm. In fact, I'd argue that a driver new to the vehicle would be surprised to find that Eco Mode wasn't actually normal mode. We'll continue to monitor our F-Pace's performance in Eco and other modes and revisit its ride quality and utility as a surf vehicle in our next update.